Good.
Oh!
Jouer là aussi. C'est raté, rebond Limoges. C'est pour le gain du match. Zakouai pour toucher. Extraordinaire.
Fabuleux.
Extraordinaire, il faut tenir. Il faut tenir. Olivier. Joueur qui marque.
Oh, ce panier.
C'est incroyable. C'est incroyable. Oh là 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 là, Schuller.
Oh, quel panier.
Oh my God, no way.
Hell no. Oh God damn.
Are you okay?
Combo to 631.
Oh my God, no way, dude. This is the craziest thing. This is the craziest thing I've ever seen right now.
Keep it going, keep it going.
No way, dude. What is going on over there in the corner by the exchange, dude? What is going on, dude?
Chase the
Oh my God.
No, okay.
Well, I heard it was a bus spin out plus cars are oh, Jesus! Listen to that! Son of a... That's unbelievable!
Holy shit.
Well, we promised the reveal, the outfit of the night for the super fan here in Logan. Wild Bill from Beauty and the Beast. He's pot. And he's into it. My 5-year-old daughters would be thrilled. It's a tradition here at Utah State, Wild Bill. He is a big fan of Disney, which is part of the reason why we here at ESPN love him. Peter Pan, one game. Little Mermaid, although you have to be a little interpretive to get that one. And tonight, going to Beauty and the Beast, he has made the switch.
boy.
Yes, walk like a man, arriba, and let's go walk like a man. Very good, boy. Let's go. Let's go walk like a man. Let's give a big round of applause.
Need I ask what the atmosphere is, Katrina?
It's a very different atmosphere here in this pub now than there was when we got here at 8 o'clock this morning. Now, it's a different crowd that are here now. It's starting to fill up with football fans, but when we got here this morning, it was full of Andy Murray fans, hoping beyond hope that this, his third Grand Slam final, would be third time lucky for him, but it just wasn't to be. And local people here are very disappointed, but also extremely proud of Andy Murray. And they say, you remember, well, he didn't win. Well, he made it to the final, and he made it to the final this time last year, the same Australian Open final where we were all here then, and we'd all had our fingers crossed for a different outcome this time. Now, we've been told not to lose heart at all. Some of the greatest tennis players of our time, amongst them Andre Agassi, didn't win his first few shots at a Grand Slam. It happened for him later in the day. And we were talking to children this morning who are all inspired by Andy Murray. He's a great reputation for this town.
Okay, Katrina, thank you very much. At least not everybody's totally disappointed now.
Kõik tõusevad korra püsti. Ära kadu.
Log on to cfnews13.com/chat to voice your opinion. I'm chatting too. We'll try to answer your questions.
Yeah.
Did that hurt?
You alright?
Crying right now. Oh my God. Don't do it. Hold on, let me hold it. Your skull's got me like bashing in right now.
A little sympathetic detonation there.
You got that on video.
Oh, I got that on video.